Residents, business owners and motorists for Egor local government area don throway ogbonge salute for the Egor local government road makers for their commitment and tireless effort wey dem take dey keep every nook and cranny of the local government clean. The people come also throway salute to the executive chairman of the Egor local government council, Honorable Egor Ugbowo, wey she take introduce the Egor Road Makers for the local government. Some of the areas where they don carry their cleaning exercise reach na Medical Store Roads, Uselushe, University of Benin Teaching Hospital Road, Ugbowo Lagos Road, among others.
The woman, the work when they see her they do a nice job. If they really do the nice job where people expect from her. So I'm not saying anything bad with it. If as me come down for this case, I'm surprised say he himself they come to work, come to do this medical. So I was surprised to see. Let me say, this woman they come to work, come to this place. It surprised me because I never see such work like this.
I thank them everywhere it's clean. Everywhere, you know, even see grass for anywhere. They are trying. Let them keep it up.
This is not the first time I'm seeing them clearing the drainage and the rest. So for me, I do appreciate the good work they are doing, and I pray it continues.
The Egor local government area road makers they carry out their environmental sanitation exercise for the local government 3 times in a week. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Egor local government area of Edo State, Ekata Ojisole, TMC TV News.